Hello, all automation lovers. I'm trying to share my skills in the most practically used Siemens PLC programming. So please subscribe and share my videos. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a single instant function block and multiple instant function block, and also what is their usage. So let's do the single instant function block. Okay, so let's say one practical example. For my machine, I have five pumps that needs to start delta. So I will create one function block for controlling for each. So I create one function block, then use that function block. Okay. This is one advantage of a single instant function block. Let's say, let's see, this is the start delta starter program. So let's write this program on our function block. So we will use for our pumps. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's say see the hardware configuration first. The hardware configuration looks like this one. Okay, let's add one function block, let's say 10. This is single instant function block. Okay, so first let's add the local variables for the function block 10. Okay, for the input side, start boolean, stop, so boolean, bool, overload, relay, okay, bool also. Let's start delta time. This is S5 time. Okay, the other is star delta timer. This is a timer. Yeah, here. Good. So let's add for the output. Output will be the main contactor. Contactor is the bool. Start contactor is also bool, and the delta contactor is bool. Okay, great. Let's add this one, the start delta starting the main contactor. Okay, this one. overload for the output in main contactor. Okay, let's add one network. The star, this one is for the star star contactor. And here timer, on delay timer. This okay, sorry, it's for the here the self fault will be the main contactor here, and also here main contactor. Okay, this one was start delta timer. And this is the data conductor. And this one is start. This is the timer swan. Okay. This one is the time. Okay, we done for the star conductor. Let's add for the delta. Okay. This one is the main conductor. Main. This one star conductor. Star conductor. Oh, sorry, this one is here. It must be normal closed. This is the timer. Okay, yeah. So I'm done on function creating. Okay, this one is the delta, sorry. Delta conductor. Save. Okay, I'm done now. I created the function single instant function block. Okay, let's use now. Let's say let's create one function. Let's do 100. Okay, this is for the single instant. Function. Sorry, FC. let's say this one pump 1. So we have created function block, one single instance. Let's create one instant DB for pump 1. Yes, good. Let's say the input start is connected on input 0.0, sorry, 1.0, 1.1, 1 input 1.2. This is the time. This S5 time 6 seconds. Start the transition time. Let's say this one timer 1. The main contactor is connected on output card 1010. The star is connected 11, and the data is connected 1.2. Okay, we done for one pump. Let's start for another pump. Pump 2 is the same. We have already created the function block, so using this that one. So let's create another instant DB2. Yes, input 0. So input 0.0. Input 1, input 2.2. The delta time is less S5 time. Let's give it 7 seconds for the start delta transition. And this one timer 2. This is timer 1, this is timer 2. This must be different. Also the instant DB also must be different. Here DB1, DB2. Okay, the output for pump 2 is connected Q.2.0, Q2.1, Q2.2. Okay, done. Okay, let's add on our OB1 for execution. Okay, done. We can simulate now. Okay, let's download. Okay, my CPU doesn't have internet, that's why. Okay, let's open. Monitor. Okay. For pump 1 is this one, for pump 2 this one. So let's start pump 1. So the start is 10, active. So as you see now the start and the main are active, waiting the time 6 seconds. Now change it to the main and the delta. It's running on the delta. Good. But on the pump 2 there is no change because we didn't change. So pump 1 parameter is not disturbing pump 2 because we programmed correctly. the instant DBs and the timers also. Okay, now it's running on the delta. Let's stop. The stop is 1111. So it's stopped now. Stopped. Okay, let's start again. Both main and the star are active. Waiting the time 6 seconds. Now change it to the delta. Good. Okay. Stop. Let's stop zone 1. Pump 1. Let's see pump 2. So let's start pump 2. Pump 2 start is input 2.0. 2.0. So the main and the star are active, waiting the time for transition 7 seconds. So now change it to delta. It's changed to delta now. It's running on delta. So when we change parameter on pump 2, it's not disturbing on pump 1. So that's good. Okay, let's stop. Okay, stop now. So I'm done on this part again. On part 2, I will show you the multi-instant function block. That is the most important part. Okay, have a nice day.